It's a lie that Israeli settlements are illegal. Disputed, yes. Illegal, no. Israel's future boundaries were drawn up in the 1920 San Remo agreement and confirmed by the League of Nations in 1922. No other internationally legally binding agreement has ever superseded that. And the West Bank is part of Israel in that agreement. It's never been a separate sovereign state. When the British left in 1948, war broke out between Arabs and Jews, and the West Bank was seized by Jordan, but their annexation was never recognised. So when Israel took back control of its land 19 years later in a defensive six-day war in 1967, it did not cross an international boundary. So those who say the settlements are illegal are completely misinterpreting Article 49 of the Fourth Geneva Convention. 2 weeks ago, the EU passed a law forcing Jewish-owned businesses in the West Bank to label their goods differently to non-Jews. This racist law, reminding us of an earlier period in European history, will not lead to peace in the region. The EU should be ashamed of itself for perpetuating the myth that settlements are illegal under international law when that ruling lacks legal evidence. Someone once said, "If you tell a lie big enough and keep repeating it, people will eventually come to believe it." You know who that person was, and it's time Europe moves on. Peace can only come if it's based on truth.